What up, sweet gang? It's your girl Rochelle in the building, coming to bring you another great video. And if you already know, or if you don't know, we got these hot trending treats that's going around the net and they're going crazy. And it's the hot cocoa bombs. Everybody loving cocoa. And it's that time of the season. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 3-part chocolate mold that will give you a good consistency of chocolate as well as nice smooth edging. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to get right into the video. Here is the 3-part chocolate mold. It comes with a top and some inserts and a bottom. This is your top. And as you see here, I wrote top on the bottom, on the top of my mold. Then it comes with these 3 silicone inserts that is placed over the chocolate. And then this is the bottom, which I wrote bottom at the top of this one. And then there's a line that indicates where the chocolate should come to or fill to. And we're going to place all 3 together. And also, while I'm showing you that, I'm going to show you how I made my candy cane chocolate bombs. So let's get into it. Here I'm using a compound chocolate, which is Merkin's, some candy cane cream gourmet mix. This is cocoa mix, along with some marshmallows and peppermint. And you want to start off with melting your chocolate for 30-second intervals and get it as smooth as you can. And I place my chocolate in a piping bag. So this is a 16-inch piping bag, long enough where I can put enough chocolate in here to fill my mold. Okay? So you want to take the top off and remove the silicone inserts. Then you're going to take your chocolate and just fill up to the line where it's indicated. And you can tap it a little bit, but you just keep filling. Don't overfill that line or you'll get too much chocolate once you put the covering top over your mold. So just give it a little tap. And then you're going to take the silicone inserts and place them right over the chocolate. And you can press down a little bit if you want to, but the top of the mold is actually going to do that. So I just press just a little bit and then go ahead and put the top covering over it. And you want to press until that chocolate rises to the top and do like a seal around the top. And you will see that once you press down and it just rises up and seal right around the top. You will see a nice little ring form right at the top of that mold cavity. All right. So I'm just firmly pressing down into the little cavity, just checking for my ring here. And it's just like it does a seal. All right. Once you have got that done, you can flip it over. Nothing's going to happen. And I kind of press and do a turn on the outside of the mold just to make sure the chocolate is all even. And then I place in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. And 5 to 10 minutes with a compound chocolate, you guys. Milk chocolate, I will let stay in for probably 5 minutes more. So after it has set in the freezer, remove it. And I do that little turn, remove the top. And then you're going to take the lip of the silicone insert. And what I like to do is take a cupcake liner so I won't get a lot of handprints on the chocolate, and just begin to gently remove that silicone insert. And I hold the rim of the spear. And as you see, you got a nice, perfect spear. And you don't have to use a hot plate or anything to clean up your edges. They're already perfect. All right. So to wash these, As you see here, it's the silicone insert. I would not put these in the dishwasher. I would just hand wash them and dry them after you're done using them. So make sure you don't put this in the dishwasher, you guys. All right. So as you see here, nice and even spear, half spear. Great for your cocoa bomb. So this also cuts out on a lot of different parts that you would do with the red silicone mold. So this is actually much better. And I will leave the link in the description box below, but it's a back order on these because everybody's going crazy over the hot cocoa bombs this season. But it is great to use this mold. I love it, and I'm sure you guys will too. Now let's get into my recipe for my candy cane hot cocoa bombs. So after they're done, I have them sitting in a cupcake tray, and you want to put in 2 tablespoons of the mix here, and that's all I'm using. You see a little peppermint chunks or candy cane chunks, and that came with the mix. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of that, and then I'm going to add in my marshmallows and top it off. And you guys going to enjoy this because it's really good. It's really good. So as you see me applying the marshmallows, and then we're just going to go into the next step. So now you want to get a small saucer plate and heat it up as hot as you can, hot enough for your chocolate to melt. And you want to take half of your spear, rub it up against the plate so that it can melt just a little bit, and then put it over your other half so that it can sit on top evenly. And while doing that, the chocolate will solidify. So you don't need to rub the sides or anything like that to get all that extra handprint. So leaving it in the cupcake tray and your cupcake liner will help prevent all those extra fingerprints, and you don't have to rub any extra chocolate around the sides. So this gives you a nice, perfect, clean, presentable hot chocolate bomb. All right. And as you see here, this is the cocoa bomb, and you see the sides, the part here is so perfect. Now that little spot right there you see was probably some chocolate that didn't cover well, but it's okay. You have a nice even cocoa bomb, and we're going to get right into the rest of the video and my design. And just like that, the magic is revealed. I hope you all have enjoyed this video and it was a help to you guys. If you have enjoyed this video and you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and leave a comment in the comment section below. And once again, this mold is on back order, but I will leave it all in the description box below, including the recipe. And it's your girl Ro about to go, and I'll see you all in the next video.